So, there are days that things don't work out the way we expect it to be. May mga goals tayo sa buhay na dinedesire natin, such as our personal plans and timelines in life. But sometimes, the stars are not aligned with us, di ba? Here's a thing. When you feel that everything in your journey seems to fail, I would like to tell you na hindi ka permanente sa sitwasyong iyan. Those dark nights shall pass and eventually the sun will shine again for you. We have to remember na maraming itinuturo ang mga madidilim na parte ng ating mga buhay na doon lamang natin ito natututunan. Kung kaya, hold on, press on, because when the time is right, He will make things happen for you. Not your timeline, not our plan, but His alone.